Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to schedule your day, to schedule it with confidence and in a way that you actually feel like you're being intentional with your time. Here's the thing. We don't accidentally become the person we want to become in life. So how I schedule my days with intention first has to start with identifying what are my goals? Like, what am I after in life? And the thing is, it's going to change based on different seasons. And so you can revisit your goals every month, yearly, quarterly. It doesn't really matter. Like, do what's best for you. I love assessing what I'm doing every single week on Sundays and kind of setting a game plan for the week. And of course, I have like big visions for the year, for half a year, but this helps me know what to focus on with my time, and then I create a game plan to get after it. So here is my first tip for you. When you are figuring out your goals, ask yourself, who do I want to become? Like in a year from now, what areas of my life would I love to be different? Or in 6 months or 3 months, what do I want to be different? Right now, I am 3 months after having a baby. So I've really been focusing on recovering physically, getting back to my physical health that I was in, just like strength, working out, weight training, eating the things I want to. So my health has been a pretty big focus. That's one category I take. I'm doing a specific workout plan that I love, and that means I'm going to put those things in my schedule. So we'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, so first thing, working out. Second thing then that I would ask myself, what's the direction? Where am I going? I'm doing some really exciting things in my business, like YouTube. I'm really focusing on growing my channel, growing my podcast, and creating courses that really impact and change people's lives based on self-awareness and how they're showing up from day to day. So those are the things I'm focusing on with my business. I break down what those goals are, and I figure out how I'm going to incorporate that in my schedule. So you can do that with all areas of your life. I'm not going to go through every single category of my life and how I'm wanting to grow, but I start thinking through like spiritually, financially, work, family, fun that I'm doing, like anything I'm wanting to grow in, I start planning that. Then on Sundays, I'll ask myself, so what do I want to do this week that's going to help contribute to these goals? So with exercise, working out, I am doing BBG by Kayla. She's amazing. Her program, which is so helpful for me just to show up to the gym. So I know how many workouts I'm doing. I know how long they take. I know how much cardio I'm doing. And I schedule that in my day. So again, you're not accidentally going to become the person you want to become. You have to intentionally plan it. So I plan in on my calendar. You can do this written, digital, doesn't matter. But this is what time I'm going to the gym. And I treat an appointment with myself, like working out, just like I would treat an appointment of going out to coffee with a friend or seeing a client. If I'm going to show up for them, I'm going to learn to show up for myself in my life too, because I'm just as important as other people. So I schedule that in. Next thing with my business, the direction I'm going. Okay, if I want to grow my YouTube channel, that means I have to post on it. I have to record content. I have to edit videos. I have to strategize and think about what's going to help people. What kind of videos do I need to make? And I plan in my schedule time to do that. And I continue to go down the list, whether it's personally with work, anything I'm planning in. And that, my friend, is how I create my schedule for the week. There, of course, are times that I don't have things scheduled. So I might be like, okay, this is a chunk of time I'm gonna do some housework, like cleaning, or this is when I'm gonna take care of just a random annoying task in life that I need to take care of. But I personally love time. I love schedules. I'm type 3 on the Enneagram, so I'm pretty detailed with my schedule throughout the day. I love knowing what I'm doing, but be in tune with yourself. If you don't like a super rigid plan every single day and that makes you feel trapped, have like loose time blocks. But if you don't put it in your calendar, if you're not actually choosing to show up to something like the way you would show up for a meeting or a coffee date with someone, it's not going to happen. And you're not just going to accidentally have all these magical things happen in your life that you want to happen. You have to take action, take control, and create the life you want by being intentional with your time.